Evanix Rex 9mm is a single-shot under-lever action PCP. Pushing a 90-grain pellet at more than 860 feet per second, it generates over 150 foot-pound energy. With a full air tank, with a pressure at about 220 bar, you'll get about 8 good shots. The shrouded barrel muffles the sound a bit, still it's a very loud gun. Comparing pellet sizes, you see how big a 9mm pellet is and why it's called big bore. To load the rifle, simply push back the underlever, put in the pellet, pull back, and you are ready for some action.